Hi, Tom. Do you come here often?
Hello, Anna. Yes, sometimes.
What do you like here?
The tea is very good.
I like the hot chocolate.
Do you study here too?
Yes, I read my books here.
That's smart. It's quiet.
Do you have homework today?
Yes, a little English homework.
Oh, me too. We can study together.
Good idea. Do you like English?
Yes, but it's not easy.
True, but practice helps.
Do you watch movies in English?
Sometimes with subtitles.
Same here. I learn new words.
Look, the waiter is coming.
Great, let's order now.
One tea, please.
One hot chocolate, please.
Okay, now we can study.
Yes, let's do it.